Okie dokie, in this video we're knocking out WebAssign number 2.3. Starting with number 1, they say let f be this function, 2x minus 1. They're asking us to find different f values for different x values. So f of 4 means we're plugging in 4 wherever we see x. So 2 times 4 minus 1, that's 8 minus 1, that's 7. F of 1/4 is just 2 times 1/4 minus 1, so that's 2/4 or 1/2 minus 1, that's negative 1/2. F of 0 just means 2 times 0 minus 1, so 0 minus 1 is negative 1. F of a just means 2a minus 1, and that's all we can do with that. We just leave it like that. F of a plus 1 means we're plugging in a plus 1 wherever we see x. So 2 times a plus 1 minus 1. That's 2a plus 2. If we distribute, minus 1. So that's 2a plus 1. Number 2. H of x is this function here. They ask for h of negative 3, so a little bit of a step up, but still the same exact process. So negative 3 cubed, I'm just going to do it one by one here and not write it all out. So negative 3 cubed is negative 27, minus negative 3 squared, that's minus 9, plus x, so plus negative 3 is just minus 3, and then plus 6. So then whatever this is h of negative 3. So negative 36, negative 39, maybe negative 33. Nice. H of 0, all these x's go to 0, and we're just left with 6. H of a just means the same exact function with a plugged in. So a cubed minus a squared plus a plus 6. And h of negative a, let's think about how this will affect it. So wherever we plug in a negative a, for all the odd exponents, it's going to keep them negative. If we plug in a negative a to the squared, to the even exponent thing, it's not going to change that term. So it's basically going to be negative a cubed, but then minus a squared, once we simplify it, and then minus a, and then plus 6. So let's see what this person did to get it incorrect. Looks like they left it the same kind of for part of it. I don't know. Ignore this right here. This should be the idea. So notice it negates all the odd exponent terms, but then it keeps the even ones the same. Because if you're doing minus negative a squared, well, negative a squared is just a squared, and then this negative here stays out in front. Hope that makes sense. Let's go to number 3. Same deal here, we're just plugging in 1 to all of the u's. So plugging in 1 to the first one, we get 3 times 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. To the 3 halves, well, that's just 1. 1 raised to any power is just 1. G to the g of 9, that'd be 3 times 9, that's 27, minus 2 is 25. So we have 25 to the 3 over 2. To the 3 over 2 means we're taking the square root first, and we get 5, and then we cube that, we get 125. And then 38 over 3 times 3 would be 38, and then minus 2 would be 36. So we're doing 36 to the 3 halves. Take the square root of that, we get 6, but then we're cubing that, and we get, what is it, 216, I think? Try that. Nice. And then u plus 1, a little more complex. Let's write this one out. So plugging in u plus 1 wherever we see u in this function. So 3 times u plus 1 minus 2, and then to the 3 over 2. So maybe just simplify this stuff here. We'd have 3u plus 3 minus 2 would be plus 1 to the 3 halves. That's probably all we can do there. Just leave it like that. Number 4. Finish your homework during the week so you can keep it twisted on the weekends. Go to payhip.com/VTMathTutor. Bye.